Introducing RTECH, the Robo-Technical Educational Connecting Hub. RTECH is the first and only business and education platform for the CNC machining industry in Malaysia, supported by a team of CNC machining experts with over 20 years of industry experience and the latest facilities. RTECH is about setting standards for the manufacturing industry so that more and more people are inspired to start a career in CNC programming and machining, increasing the skilled workforce in Malaysia. RTECH is the bridge for a diverse community of educators, students, technicians, and industry professionals. We build a culture of teamwork and collaboration in sharing the best CNC technology. We also connect people and businesses to the latest technical knowledge and tools. We make learning easy with online videos that you can watch anywhere at any time, with subtitles in Bahasa Malaysia and Mandarin. We cater to the local community by removing language barriers so that anyone can learn CNC machining. In addition, hands-on CNC and CAD/CAM software training courses, networking platforms, and friendly competitions only scratch the surface of what we strive to provide for the CNC community. We believe that to be successful, what we really need to promote is the right culture and mindset. This is what we call the Robo-Trinity, because it emphasizes three core values: focus, fast, and connect. We intentionally narrow down our focus to just Haas machines and solid CAM software so that our experience in that area is highly specialized. The only way we can truly understand the product deeply and to help others do the same is by being really good at one thing instead of being mediocre in many things. Our clients and partners can then be confident in us because we are confident of what we know ourselves. Secondly, being fast is necessary to not lose business, and that can only be achieved with the latest technology. You can only be a winner and gain jobs if you are fast. Finally, what we can never emphasize enough is connecting. We aim to partner with you so that we can work together to create business opportunities and build a career together.